boys and girls. I'm going to show you how to start your space shuttle drawing and using the shapes in Seesaw. So what I'm going to do is share my windows with you. When you get this right here, what you want to do is add your response. Some of you guys have started already, so just continue on. It should be a different word right here. Let's just say continue or something. Alright, so I'm going to add a response. I'm going to use the sample students here. You want to click on your drawing tools. And once you get in here, what you want to do is start your picture. Don't use your paintbrush or your paintbrush, your pencils and pens to draw. You want to go to this three dots right here and you want to select your shapes right here. Okay, now your background, your shapes. Once you are in here, you want to find a shape that you could create starting with your solid rocket boosters and then your external tank. Okay, I'm going to do my external tank first because that's the easy one. That's the big tank that's in the back. So I'm not going to make it fat. I'm going to make it as big as I can because this is the part that has to be in the background. So once I have that, I'm going to pick a color that I like, an orange color. Now the reason why they color orange is because this one is going to be detached from the space shuttle with the orbiter and it falls down the ocean. So they want to be able to see it. So once I have that, I'm going to take the same shape here. So remember this duplicate right here? This one right here, that's a duplicate. So if you want the same shape, you don't have to go get it again. You could just duplicate it. I'm going to put it right here. This one I'm going to make it smaller because it's going to be my external tank. Okay, the external tank is going to be probably right around here, almost a halfway mark. And I'm going to have two of them because there's two external tank. And notice I'm not putting it right next to it yet. I'm just putting it right there. What I should have done was do the color first. So I'm going to go here, undo that, undo this. I'm going to undo that. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's change the color. Now that I have the color, I can duplicate that. Put it over here. Now I'm going to go to my shape again, and I'm going to choose that triangle. I'll put that on the top. Oops. It's harder with the finger, I think, than the mouse. There we go. Let's move it around a little bit. And once you have that, you want to change the color also. Well, why don't I change the color first? I could move it. It's harder to move with my finger, sorry. Okay, now for your engine, you could use a shape. You want to use that trapezoid for your engine. There it is right here. Let's just start right there. Make it smaller. Okay, so if you want to change the color there, you could do that. And once you have that, you could duplicate it. And when you duplicate it, you put it over here on the other side. Same thing up here. Okay, I kind of did it quick, but what I want you guys to do is see if you guys could do the external tank and the solid rocket booster. So we'll make this a little smaller. Right there. Now I'm going to get that oval that I want. The circle here. I'll make it an oval. Because this is going to be the top. And just change the color. Change the color to it. And there's my first part. Now when you finish with this part, tomorrow you could work on your orbiter. And I can show you how to get your orbiter as well tomorrow. But today, if you want to do it for tomorrow, here are your wings right here. You could use these as your wings. Use this as your wings, these two. You could use this part over here as your wings. You're going to draw your orbiter, so use this item right here and make your orbiter. Okay, and I'll show you that tomorrow if I have time on that. And when you finish, you're not finished yet, so don't click the check. Just click the draft so that you'll have this for tomorrow. It's in my student draft here, so you can see that. All right. Thank you.